Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to dry curry leaves and also how to use your salad spinner to do it faster. So once the curry leaves are dried, you can store them in the fridge for 3 to 4 months, or you can also make powder from it. I have the curry leaves powder recipe on my channel. Make sure you check it out. So first take the curry leaves and wash them very well. Squeeze the water from curry leaves and place them into the spinner basket. Don't overfill the basket, just fill them till half. So now put the lid and pull the string for 10 to 15 times so that the inner basket will rotate and get rid of excess water. Each salad spinner is different. I have a pulling mechanism here, you might have a different one. As you can see, there is a lot of excess water that we got in the collector. Drain the excess water and repeat this step for 3 to 4 times till all the water is drained. So after draining the excess water, I am taking the curry leaves and placing them onto a cotton towel. Dry the leaves overnight and mix them very well for every 2 to 3 hours so that they get dried evenly. So these leaves I have dried yesterday, and as you can hear from the sound, they have dried very well and also didn't lose their bright green color. If this video was helpful to you, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again with a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.